If I tell you that there is a single supplement that is good for both male and female fertility, for PCOS, for diabetes, for detoxing kidneys and lungs, like if you have lung disease like allergies or asthma or COPD, and even for psychiatric and mental health issues like depression, anxiety, Alzheimer's, and loss of memory, can you guess what supplement that is? Assalamu alaikum wonderful people, I am Dr. Asma and a few days back I made a video on what supplements are good for PCOS, and in that video I mentioned NAC is very good for PCOS. NAC stands for N-acetyl cysteine, and it is not only good for PCOS, it is wonderful for both male and female infertility. For example, varicocele is a condition which is responsible for male infertility, and in one study 35 men with varicocele received 600 milligrams of NAC per day for 3 months after surgery. The combination of surgery and NAC supplementation improved the semen integrity. In another study, 468 men with infertility found that supplementing with 600 milligrams of NAC and 200 micrograms of selenium for 26 weeks improved the semen quality. And in our clinic, we have this combination. It's by the name of TriZ. I've made a whole video over it also. Do subscribe to our channel to view such wonderful videos. Anyway, NAC is not only good for improving male and female infertility, it is also excellent for diabetes. It stabilizes the blood sugar by decreasing the inflammation in the fat cells. Most of the benefits of NAC actually come from glutathione. NAC is essential for making glutathione, which is the most powerful antioxidant in our body. Its antioxidant properties can be beneficial for numerous other ailments caused by oxidative stress like heart disease, infertility, and lots of other conditions that are caused by toxin overload. It basically helps with detoxification, so it prevents the kidney and liver damage. It can help prevent side effects of drugs and environmental toxins. In fact, as a matter of fact, doctors give regularly some intravenous NAC to people who attempt suicide with acetaminophen. Acetaminophen as Panadol or paracetamol. And since glutathione regulates the glutamate levels in the brain, it also helps improve the mental health conditions and substance use disorders. Lack of regulation of glutamate levels contribute to mental health conditions like bipolar disorder, schizophrenia, obsessive compulsive disorder, and substance use disorder. And if you want your body to make this amino acid cysteine, you need adequate amounts of folate, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, and all these nutrients can be found in beans, lentils, spinach, banana, salmon, tuna, and protein-rich foods. But if you don't eat such protein-rich foods like cheese, eggs, and sunflower seeds, or your requirement is more because you are sick, then you would need to supplement the cysteine. The dose of NAC ranges between 600 to 1800 milligrams per day, depending on what condition you want to use it for. Now, the only question that remains is when to take NAC. Basically, it depends again on why you want to take NAC. If you want to take it for depression, anxiety, mental alertness, then you have to take it in the morning. If you want to take it for detox purposes, like if you have allergies or asthma and things like that, then you have to take it at night time. But whenever you take it, make sure you take it on an empty stomach. And another question that many of my patients in my clinic ask me is how will we know that NAC is working for us or not? Basically, it is very simple. If you take NAC and in 1 hour, if you can see even a slight improvement in your symptoms, it means NAC is for you. It is working for you. If you keep on taking it, it will do only good. So this is basically everything you need to know about NAC. The only thing I want to add is never take a supplement without the consultation of your doctor. So in the comment section below, let me know, have you used NAC and what have you found it good for? Take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.